What's up, guys? I apologize that my last video ended so quick and abruptly. My phone died on me and I had to go to work, so it was what it was. I didn't have time. I wasn't going to do the video again, so that's what happened on that one. I have something beautiful to show you guys. Come take a look. This is what happens when you don't give up. I never gave up, and finally, everything's working. We're making the covers finally for these wall planters. So, life is good. Don't give up. And it's okay to be stupid. I'm stupid all the time. We found that out. And I'm still surviving. So, it's the weekend. What's today? Saturday. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I hope you have a good Saturday. I hope you stay tuned because we're going to keep doing cool stuff now that the machine is actually working. And I still got to do that video, editing some code for you guys. We got that coming. But yeah, thank you guys. Have a good day.